How's it going, YouTube? Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update for you guys. Last week, I think just before the weekend did close, we had a potential bull flag over here, or sorry, bull pennant, my mistake, where we were trading within this triangle over here on the daily time frame. We will scale in on the lower time frames where it looked a little bit better, but I got this from the daily time frame, going through these 2 wicks and extending the line and going through these 2 wicks over here, extending it. And so we saw a breakout. In actual fact, guys, we needed a daily candle close above 31,000 to pump towards this actual target over here. So not only was the target out of the bull pennant over here something like this, with a target at about 34k, just before 34k. Not only was it the pattern's target itself, it's also the Fibonacci's target. So we have something called confluence, which is just multiple things in alignment, in agreement, but we need to do some certain things to actually go ahead and meet these targets, which is of course break out of the pattern itself, which it has done so over here on the daily time frame, of course. And right now we're retracing back down to this previous resistance with the daily closes, now a support. We will zoom into this, don't you worry, but make sure you do like, subscribe, comment. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, guys. If we could hit 6,000 subscribers this week, that would be insane. So make sure you share this video to as many people as possible, and always tune into these Bitcoin updates. It's the most vital update of the day, even if you're only in altcoins. It doesn't matter. Whatever Bitcoin's doing will happen to the alts, and we're going to look into that today. But yeah, very quickly over here, we needed to break through 31k with daily candle closes to break the high. We do have higher highs with bodies and with wicks, but we need the body over here to close above that wick. Okay, so yes, we have higher highs with the bodies and higher highs with the wicks, but you need this highest body to take out this highest wick, and then we will continue to these Fibonacci targets. Although, yes, out of the pattern itself, technically speaking, we should be on the way to our targets, the Fibonacci's are saying, no, hold up. We're at key levels of resistance. We could be coming back down to test this new daily bullish crossover here, which doesn't come around often. We almost formed one right there, but it didn't, and that's called an EMA repel, where price explodes in the original trend that it was in. So it was trying to go into an uptrend, but it failed, so it explodes in the original trend. So that's a downtrend, so we see that dump down, and we managed to call the pump from this location. We said we could be entering longs from down here with the target at 30.5 and 31k. Please do let me know if you took this trade in the comment section below. But if you didn't, whether you were here and you just weren't confident, or you're just new to the channel and you actually missed it, please do subscribe so you do stay tuned. I've also got discounts at the moment if you want to be taught how to do this all. Whether that's a course that you have that you can do in your own time that teaches you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader, or you want something a little bit more personalized, more advanced, which would be one-to-one mentorship that actually includes the course, so you can fall back on after the 5 or 10 hours worth of sessions. You just need to hit the links in the description down below. Whether you want to join my chat, I'll play a little clip at the end of this video more about my exclusive chat and how you can become a member. But if you want to take action on the course and the mentorship, again guys, it's discounted to the 1st of July. This has got 35 videos in it, 6 hours long, and with both options, whether it's the mentorship or the course, the mentorship info is below, but you get 3 months in my Discord community. If you want to private message me about more, click that Twitter link. We just hit 2,000 followers over there. Let's try and get this to 2.5k as quick as we can. This is where I'll further update you guys during the day or after the videos. Again, we had quite a lot of news on VeChain. The last week I made a video on VeChain's and Walmart's partnership, so go check out that video. And I'm also going to make a video on VeChain and Coinbase partnership, or whatever you want to call it. It's going to get listed on Coinbase, and so it's basically saying that it's not a security, although price did dump loads when the SEC lawsuit came out with Coinbase and Binance US. So heading back over to Bitcoin, we will scale down to the lower time frames, but if you found this video informative, go ahead and boost this algorithm, guys. And we can see over here, when we zoom in into that pennant, we saw the breakout. Now technically there's 2 ways of targeting this: measuring the pump and then putting it on the breakout. That would target 33 to 34k, and we see the Fibonacci suggesting that anyway, with a daily candle close above 31k. But you can also get a target this way, and we can see that the target itself at the moment actually has been met. So what could be occurring over here if this is not going to dump down to the daily time frame bullish crossover here? When we scale back to the 1 hour time frame, you could actually say we're just testing previous resistance now as support. So we've do have a bearish cross that's just formed, you can go ahead and invalidate it. All we need to see is this double bottom breaking out over here, flipping it into support, where we drag the EMAs back over and we do continue to those targets. But we can clearly see that this is setting up as a head and shoulders pattern that is actually already broken out. So if we just set another line just like this through these points over here, we can see a target to the downside would probably be back down to this low. Yeah, okay, so back down to the 786 fib, in and around 29.5, 29.6k for this head and shoulders pattern. But the reason why when we scaled back to the daily time frame, I was suggesting that at the moment we could just be testing this previous resistance over here as support. When we go back to the 1 hour right now, we can see you are holding this build up of candles over here. I'm going to go from this highest point with the fibs to the lowest point, and we can also see that this area over here is actually pretty much the golden pocket right there. So it is support, and technically speaking we have created the reversal wave, because as I'm measuring this dip, you're meant to push into this area and then continue lower towards the 200 EMA, which would be a back test of this larger golden pocket, signaling the reversal wave heading to these targets over here eventually. So all you need to do is hold above this level, which is 27.7 to 28.4k. I did actually mention this over the last week, and that is pretty much where the daily bullish cross is sitting. If I just quickly show you, yeah, so the daily bullish cross over here is within this golden pocket. So we know even if we do dump down all the way to there, the reversal wave has been created, the damage has been done. So maintaining this area will eventually produce a pump towards 33 to 34k. I hope this has been clear so far. If it's not, that I have those things in place for you to, of course, everything is in place. You just need to learn it, and then all these videos become simple to follow along. If you are already advanced and you just want to be part of the community, then I'll play that little clip at the end of this video. But heading back over to the 1 hour time frame now, we need to go ahead and invalidate this head and shoulders pattern if you are a bull over here. Please do expect, if we do continue to go down, that alts will continue to go down. They'll get dragged down worse than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin were to potentially drop another 2-3%, then we could see 10% dumps on some alts. This is what I'm trying to get, 10 to 15% dumps on some alts. So please keep that in mind. I will make some further updates on altcoins today. And to keep this 33 to 34 target in place, you know what we need to do. We need to hold above this 27 to 28k area. But also in the very immediate short term, we could actually continue to those targets as long as we hold this key level of support between, yeah, pretty much, let's just say 30,000 psychological level. Otherwise, again, although we can potentially bounce from here and break out again, break above 31k, there's a lot of work to do. We're yet to invalidate the head and shoulders pattern. So until those moments, then the scenario over here is that this head and shoulders could really play out, as we've already validated it. The only way we can stop this from happening is invalidating it by pumping. So while at key supports is going to give us this opportunity, but if this opportunity from this location down here fails, then we will just continue to these targets and expect alts to come back down as well. So this could be a retest of the 20 or whatever on the daily time frame, depending on how long it actually takes to come down. The longer it takes to come down, the higher this does actually drag up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, whether we are just, again, coming back down on the 1 hour to this key level of previous resistance, now support, to just continue, and this is a scare, so bearish pattern that might not work. So like we had an inverse head and shoulders here, which I called, could this just be a head and shoulders now to dump back to key levels of support to eventually go up? So the expectation is anyway, guys, that we do eventually break out of 31k, head to 33, 34k. It's just whether we go down a little bit more first or straight up from here. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, but I have prepared you with all the scenarios today, and all you need to do in your own time is set alerts at these levels, wait for the reactions. Again, I've prepared you for the downward case, prepared you for the upward case. You now just need to simply wait for which one is to come, and then you react to that. If you're not confident in doing so, then take action on my course and mentorship, which is still discounted till the end of this month. You only have a few days left if you want to get that discount. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to play a little clip on my exclusive chat right now, and you don't even need to be a student to join that. Anyone can join that, but students do get it half price after their 3 months free in the chat. Thank you guys. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.